Tequila.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. My name is Milo and I do travel and lifestyle vlogs. Now this week's video is a little bit different, as you all can tell from this video's title. Today I'm going to talk about DJI's Mavic Mini drone, and if you've been following the channel, you have probably seen some drone footage in the last couple of weeks. I just want you to know that all that drone footage has been captured by myself with the Mavic Mini. I do want to let you guys know that this video is a little bit more for those of us who are just taking up their drone journey and passion. In other words, this is more for newbies like myself. And again, if you're one of those more experienced or advanced pilots, then you're more than welcome to skip over this video. Although I would love for you to stay and share some of that drone wisdom in the comments below with the rest of us. Also, I do have to say that I'm not affiliated to DJI in any way, shape or form. Therefore, they're not sponsoring this video. But let's be real, let's be honest, we all wish they were. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and activate the bell so you get notified when all my new videos come out. In this video, I will 1. Do a quick unboxing and cover the drone's price ranges, 2. Go over some of the Mavic Mini selling points, and 3. Share with you my experience with it and if it's worth the investment. Now, throughout the video, you'll see footage captured with DJI's Mavic Mini so you can see what the drone is capable of doing as well. Okay, so if you decide to go with the Mavic Mini standard package, that's gonna start around $399 plus taxes, and this is what the box has. So you're gonna have the aircraft, a radio remote controller, 1 battery, 1 pair of spare propellers, 6 spare screws, 1 screwdriver, 1 USB cable, the RC cables, which are to hook it up to your phone, and a pair of spare radio control sticks. Now, if you got a little bit more money to spend, then you might be better off with the Mavic Mini Fly More combo that starts at $499 plus taxes, and that includes the aircraft, the remote controller, 3 batteries plus the charging hub, propeller guards, 3 pairs of spare propellers, 18 spare screws, 1 screwdriver, 2 USB charging cables, RC cables, spare control sticks, 1 18-watt USB charger, and my personal favorite, the carrying bag. Now, there are 2 very important things that are not included in any of these 2 packages, and that is number 1, the micro SD card, which you can find anywhere, Amazon, eBay, Walmart. They have them in different prices and with different capacities. But basically, you're gonna need these to store all your videos and your photos. The other thing that doesn't come in is the DJI Care Refresh, which is just another fancy word for their extended warranty. It's $39. You can buy it online or directly at the retail store where you get your drone. Now, I highly suggest you buy that extended warranty. If anything happens to the drone, you can actually get it replaced or repair, but I highly recommend it, especially if you're a brand new pilot like myself, just because you never know when you're gonna make a mistake, crash the drone into a tree, a wall, on the ground, and again, you don't want to lose the investment, so it's totally worth buying that extended warranty. But why is the Mavic Mini so popular? Well, check this out. To start off, it's only 249 grams. What does that mean? That means it's super light. So you don't have to actually register the drone as a drone with the FAA, or in some places like Canada, you don't need a drone pilot's license to actually fly this thing. Why? Well, because since it's less than 250 grams, it's actually considered a toy and not a drone. Number two, it's portability. Check it out. This drone is actually smaller than an iPhone 11 Pro. What does that mean? That means that you can probably fit it anywhere. Your purse, your backpack, your carry-on luggage. Okay, the third point is the flight time. It actually says that it has a 30-minute flight time, and that's debatable because the battery life depends on many factors like the wind speed or the wind's direction. But on average, based on my experience, I get about a 25-minute flight time from one battery. Now, if you got the Fly More combo, you're looking at an average of 75 minutes up in the air, which is awesome. Fourth, for those of you who are interested in knowing about the camera specs, here's a little overview. The camera shoots 12 megapixel aerial photos and up to 2.7K videos. Now, I know that you guys might be thinking, well, my iPhone does that. Yes, but the problem is that your iPhone costs you probably over $1,000. This is coming up at probably half of the price. It flies. Last but not least, one of the reasons why the Mavic Mini is such a popular drone nowadays is because of the quick shots feature. And this is a feature that I'm not sure if every drone or every DJI drone has, but basically what it does is for entry-level pilots like myself, it allows us to do and perform awesome shots with just a few simple taps on the screen, just like this one's. If you have enjoyed this video so far and have gotten value out of it, smash the like button and share it with your friends and family. Now, my experience with the drone. Like I told you guys at the beginning of the video, I do travel and lifestyle content. So from day one, since I started my YouTube channel, I wanted a drone to make my videos look more cinematic and a little bit more dynamic. But at the same time, I was a little bit hesitant to buy one just because I honestly didn't know what I was getting myself into. One piece of advice that I can give you right now if you're looking into buying a drone is, number one, do your research. Watch a lot of YouTube videos, read a lot, get a little bit familiar with the laws and regulations of your city, state, or country, wherever you are. Think about what you want the drone for. And once you have that figured out, then look up at whatever drone suits your needs best. In my case, it was the Mavic Mini. Again, I wanted something not so expensive, but at the same time that could deliver high quality content. Now, I've been using the Mavic Mini for a little over a month now, and trust me, I do not regret investing in this content creating beast. You haven't seen my best nor my worst video yet, so subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified when new videos come up. If you found value in this video, hit the thumbs up, comment, and share. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.